My name is Yvonne Coghill and I'm the Director of the Workforce Race Equality Standard in the NHS. The Workforce Race Equality Standard is designed to support black and ethnic minority staff in the NHS to get exactly the same experience as their white counterparts. What we know from lots and lots of information and lots of evidence is that if you are from a black and minority ethnic background and you work in the NHS, your experiences are not the same as your white counterparts. We know this because we have been measuring over the last 3 years 9 indicators which show very clearly that if you're from a black and ethnic minority background, your experiences are much worse than your white counterparts. What we need to do is to make sure that everybody has the same level of experience in our NHS, have the same opportunities in our NHS, and are valued equally in our NHS. With the information that we've got, we know that we can make things much better for our patients. So what I'm asking people to do is to consider how they treat all members of their staff in the NHS, so that if you are from a black and ethnic minority background, you are just as likely as your white counterparts to actually get the job. You're just as likely, or unlikely, as it were, not to be disciplined. And most of all, you have to have a feeling of being included in everything that's going on. And we know from our staff surveys that if you are from a black and ethnic minority background, you have a worse experience with your colleagues, with patients, and more importantly, with senior managers in the NHS. What we're aiming for is equity. We're aiming to make sure that everybody feels appreciated and valued, so that ultimately the NHS is a place where all of our patients get high quality patient care, patient safety and patient satisfaction. And my team are here to help support all members in the NHS and wider to understand the importance of inclusion and to make sure that everybody knows what they need to do in order to make our NHS the very, very best organisation in the world. It is indeed the biggest healthcare system in the world. What we're aiming to do through having equity and equality is to make it absolutely the best.